How to create a Facebook group on mobile. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your phone. You are now in the Facebook homepage where you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. Then, tap on Groups as shown. Tap on Create a Group. Here, give your group a new name. And then, choose Privacy for your group. For example, public or private. After that, tap on Create Group below. From here, you can choose and invite people to your group by tapping on Invite beside their names. You can also share the group link or invite via email. Then, tap on Next at the top. On this page, you can add a cover photo for your group page if you want. Then, tap on Next below. Here, you can add a description for your group so that people know what it's about. Once you're done, tap on Next again. And then, tap on Done. You have now successfully created a group on Facebook. Following these steps, you can easily create a Facebook group on mobile.